Hindi ko sure kung kakalabanin ba ako ng mga bukong yan. That guy. Uy! Naging violet na pala sila. And tayo ay nakaspawn lang kasi nag-reset tayo kung may nangyari kasi. Parang pati binabato-bato pa rin sila lang ano. Ang kalaban. Hey, binabato B1. I'm your fan. What? Fan mo ko? I'm your fan. He is copying me. Are you Yuka?
NANI?!
Why? Hey, may fun pala tayo. Problem, yo. Do not. I'm cuz. Oh my god, we did it. There's an enemy. Hey, my fan.
NANI?!
Hey, what's your problem, dude? Hey. What's your problem, dude? Oh, he is so seeking freaking damn. He destroyed me, go. Oh my god, oh, need na ako, bro. Gago, bro. Oh, damn. Freaking one hit, bro. Oh. Oh. You're gonna die today, bro. Yeah, taste this sword, bro. Damn. Damn, what you leg over for the same man? Damn, so weak. Oh, damn. What the fuck are you doing? Gagi talaga yun, napatay ako doon ng dalian dahil lang hindi ko alam na ina-axe na pala ako doon. Pero di bale na. So, I hope you love my videos, guys, and hope you hit that subscribe and the notification bell and like the video para naman din maganahan tayo gumawa ng mga content related sa survival game at hindi lang survival game yung ating iralaruin. So, mag-explore din tayo ng ibang games about Roblox. So, I hope you enjoy and peace. Thank you guys for subscribing.